Khulum kata khokte buhuk jang no jotono no lamsago. Hani haiti fekya nong ni bege katal job notification inta khote bukhuk jang Flipkart ni hoite nong hoka katal job notification ko job notification nong khroma jaga bo tam tong sab apply khlaiman apply khlaina thang din tam nang video sung kaham ke saimelani ita khote bukhuk jang nor toron nugni tongna Flipkart recruitment 2025 ngake oro job vacancy ngake Flipkart job vacancy 2025 or graduation ni bung tonor oro saini manghana Flipkart ngake post ni bumung ngake tam tong pickers and packers, delivery boy, delivery executive, engineer, associate, operations executive, customer service executive, finance manager, security officer, sales department, accountant, packing boy, manager, assistant, warehouse keeper, graduate, trainee engineer, and other various job. Total post ngangke 15,000 jona o jaga total post ni bagai o jaga job notification kari jakha apply mode hingke online nonoro o jaga apply ma khlainai sabo apply khlaiman hingke all india ni candidate no chela tai buri no o jaga apply khlaimano salary ni kok sana thaka to 20,000 ni simi 75,000 taka jora dai no o jaga salary mani mano o jaga age limit of Flipkart job vacancy 2025 age limit hingke minimum age hingke 18 bosor ongna nangnai maximum hingke o jaga kuno age limit rejakliya hingke application fee rok hingke general tai OBC hingke kuno phano rang nagalak ST SC PWD bahaino khoksa puno rang nangya no o job ni bagai apply khlaimano hingke tolao tam tong selection process rok hingke sungtabung nani ni virtual test tai interview baino norok o jaga o job no aram keno tai easy keno norok o job no mani mano education qualification ni kok sana thake to candidates should have passed 10 12 haikaba graduate from recognized board or university or institute in takte bukhjang sudu matro norok 10 pass haikaba 12 pass haikaba graduate khlaijak hingke norok o job no mani mano haikaba apply khlaimano important document rok tam nangai resume haikaba CV je mani passport size photograph nangnai signature nangnai ID proof haikaba address proof je kono kaisa nangnai education certificate bank account details age proof ni takote bukjong o document je ang samani o document rok norok submit khlaina nangnai important date hingke ta norok oro nugui tongna already start ngi paikha last date hingke as soon as possible norok je jesek dati fat mansak o job ni bagai apply khlai ngaka o jaga description link rijak tongo link ko thangai norok direct no apply link ko thang click khlaigai ke a jaga kwbangma job vacancy ni tam post ni bagai job nokhojak tong a jaga norok nugui manana hingkai tini ni bagai asano situng takote bukhukjang norono jotono hambai।